Hi, I'm Mike from Scoutadelic, and this is how you make a mug peanut butter cake. Ooh. Hi, I'm Mike and welcome to Scoutadelic, and it's Monday, which means I'm doing some science, because Wendy said that science does involve baking with a mug with me, Mike. Who knew? And today we're going to be making a mug peanut butter cake. Okay, so what you're going to need is you're going to need some oil, some brown sugar, an egg white, creamy peanut butter, flour, baking powder and chocolate chips. Okay, so first of all you're going to put into your mug, you want 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Then you're going to want 2.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then you want an egg white. Now let's see if I can do this right. So you don't want the yolk, you just want the egg white. The egg white is in the cup and the yolk is in here. Don't know what I'm going to do with the yolk though. And then what you want to do is you want to mix all that together with a fork. Looks like snot. Then what you want to add is 2.5 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. Now I've got smooth peanut butter, so I'm hoping that should do it, but we'll find out. Ooh. Once that's mixed in, then you just need to use your fork and mix it in. And finally, once that's all mixed together, then you need to put in 3 tablespoons of flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and finally 1 tablespoon of chocolate chips. So first of all, we're going to go with 3 tablespoons of flour. And you want 1/4 teaspoon, not tablespoon, but teaspoon of baking powder. And finally, a tablespoon of chocolate chips. Once you've got all that in there, obviously again, mix that in with the rest of the mixture. It should look a little bit like that, okay? Once it's all mixed, then you need to pop it in the microwave for around about 1 minute and 10 seconds. What you're trying to do is it should be spongy, but also move away from the sides. If not, then obviously give it another 10 seconds extra and keep on going until you think it is ready and it looks fancy, as it were, okay? Safety is super. Ooh. It should be spongy on top and be able to move from the sides, and then tuck in. And here we go. Oh, nice. At first, you get obviously the chocolate, and then the peanut butter really hits you. Oh, this is amazing. Oh, this is so nice, actually. If you've enjoyed this mug cake, then don't forget to give this video a like and share it around, because that's what it's all about. If you've obviously loved doing mug cakes, there is a very cool microwave mug badge that's available in our store. The link is in the description below. And please consider subscribing. We're trying to hit 7,000 this month and we're so close to it. So scroll down, and if you haven't subscribed, then click the button. It's red, it's free, and you might as well. Otherwise, I'll see you again soon. Let's now get on with this.